Physical properties. Metals. You come across a lot of metals and non-metals in your day-to-day life. For example, the hammer that you use to fix nails is a metal. The nail made of iron is also a metal. Let us look at the physical properties of metals. The physical properties of metals are: physical state. Metals are solid at room temperature. For example, iron, aluminium. Only mercury is liquid metal. Good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductors of electricity as they have free electrons. For example, silver and copper are the best conductors of heat and electricity, whereas lead is the poorest conductor of heat. Malleable. Metals can withstand hammering and be made into thin sheets known as foils. For example, iron is heated and then hammered into different forms, foils, shapes, etc. Ductile. Metals can be drawn into wires. For example, 100 gm of silver can be drawn into a thin wire of about 200 meters long. Luster. Metals reflect light from their shiny surface. They can also be polished. For example, gold, silver, and copper are metals with a shiny surface and can be polished.